Today is Monday. Last week was amazing. This week, let's see if it's going to give us the same thing. Stay tuned and let's start trading. Greetings, everyone. So here it is. Right now it's 8:32. And as you can tell, the market has had a very interesting movement. We're not seeing the big movement that we've normally seen in the past. Now, that being said, we can tell, let's see, looking at the market here, you can tell that price action is trending up. See that? Looking at the 800 ticks, it is trending up. Now, the truth is, can we risk a trade even if, let's see. Oh, wow. See, this would have been a good trade to enter. But it is 8:33 right now. And man, I wonder if I got in a little late, because here is, let's see, 26, 29, that's 3 points. We have 3 points here, and this could have been a good trade for us. Now, this is an interesting moment because price action is moving. It is indeed going the direction of the trend, but then it might just stop. It might just stop. Like, for example, if I enter here expecting it to go up, it might continue, but also it might just reverse. And it's not wise just enter to just jump on the trade, make a quick buck. No. So that's one of those moments where the trade started earlier, before the session, and we just have to accept that this is not our trade. We have to accept that, you know what, let's just wait. We still have, my first session is, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll still have time to wait. We'll still have time for the market to decide what to do. And ideally, what I would want is, I would want the market to give me a reversal, or basically give me a dip. That way it might go back up again. Then let's pick up another 3 points and have just one good trade of the day. First, right now, before our first setup, our good setup comes in, let's just wait. Let's exhibit patience. For example, right now, this could be a good trade. This could be a good trade if there is confirmation, but this could be the reversal that we're talking about as well. That being said, given that price action, the trend is up, if you were to get a reversal trade and it would stop in any of those simple moving average, exit quickly. Okay, let's see. Right now we are getting some movement, not necessarily a decision, but we're getting a slight little reversal. And what could happen right now is a consolidation period. After good movements, sometimes the market behaves by, okay, let's see. It behaves by giving us consolidation periods. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put 2 colors here in order to remind myself visually that this is a consolidation period. Like that. And what is a consolidation period? It's an interesting state in which the market goes back and forth between a low and a high. It does it indefinitely until it breaks. For example, this looks like a good break. Let's zoom in. Okay. Let's see if we get a confirmation here. Wow. Wow. See, this could have been a great break-in, but then I was waiting for the confirmation. My God, wow. This is one of those moments where you learn wisdom, because honestly, this is a great setup. This is a great setup for my trades. But I know that for any time you're going to enter, you need confirmation. And the market, the confirmation for me is, oh, I might just get it here. Let's see. Is it going to cross this line? Wow. You know what? I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. The worst it can do is a small loss, which I'm always ready for. So we are here. So ideally 27. If it reaches here, we've had ourselves a good trade. But if not, I'm ready to exit. Let's see. Is it gonna cross the simple moving average? If not, we need it to cross at least all the way here. If not, let's just accept that it wasn't a reversal trade. Is it gonna cross all the way down? From here, 7, 6. If it touches here, I know that it's possible that we get a trade. But until then, I don't really know. Right now, we're not getting the momentum to go to the momentum of the influx. Okay, so, okay. Let's see. Is it gonna cross this one here?
Order filled.
If it does, we might be in good shape. If it does and reaches this is a great day for us. Yes. Hopefully it crosses it decisively and reaches this, which would be amazing. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Rough reversal here.
Order filled.
Let's see. Goes back down. No. Yeah. So interesting, that could have been a good trade, but it reversed really brutally here. It's one of those things. It's one of the risk of
order filled. Order
filled. The risk of the trade. But let's say if it would it cross back here? Would it cross back here? Would it? Okay. Let's get back. Let's get back. Let's get back. Give us perfect. If it touches this, we've made our just continue, just continue. If it touches this line, we would have made our money back. But that being said, I'm always ready to. If it touches this line, but then I'm always ready for a reversal. Okay. This is it. This is it. Is it gonna cross it? Is it okay? It touched it and crossed it. Awesome. Great. Ooh. Okay. Awesome. Yes. Wow. Did you see that? You see that?
Order filled.
You see that? See that? See this blasphemy? Like, why are you doing this? That being said, we've already, if it doesn't continue back down, we should exit here. If it doesn't continue back down, this is our time to exit. Okay, up. So it touched it, but didn't cross it. So that's an interesting sign. Touched it, but didn't cross it. Touched it, but did not cross it. We wanted to cross the previous low. I'm ready to exit here because if it's gonna keep on doing this thing where it might little by little go up, I'm out. I'm out. That's too much. But that being said, this trade is interesting, isn't it? We got into this trade here. We got into this trade here. We had some motion. That being said, we exited because this is a very rough. Look at that. This is 24. This is a 4-point reversal. 4 points. A 4-point reversal. But then we noticed here that it crossed the previous low. So we thought, you know what? Let's risk another trade. And we did. We risked another trade. And here at least, what I appreciate from the market here is that at least here, it's giving you a sense that this is the end of the line. Prepare yourself for an exit. When the market, and as we've said before, a way that I measure my exits sometimes is on the simple moving average. This is why the simple moving average are such an amazing tool for my strategy. First of all here, remember when I mentioned I always measure whether I should exit by how it behaves, how the price action, the candles behave around a simple moving average. Here, it was going well. We entered here. We experienced this bounce and it still go down. And it did this and rapidly it went back up. Gerard, that's a sign of an exit because I don't know. It could have happened. There could have been a news. There could have been a situation. There could have been something in the market that prompted prices to go up. And then all of a sudden, everything we built, we would have lost. So ideally, the first thing you do is muster the courage to exit. And then after that, we found the continuation trade. How do we enter a continuation trade? First, I look at this candlestick formation. Beautiful candlestick formation. That's always been one of my advice. Look for your candlestick formation. Here, it crossed the simple moving average, enter. Enter ahora, maintenant, jetzt, now. It gives us 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. And then, while giving us 4 candles, it's giving us indecision. And indecision is heartbreaking because this beautiful movement could have been a 10-point trade, but it isn't. It's less. It's a 5-point trade. Maybe let me see. From here, 25. Yes, it's 3 to 4 point trade. But at least the market has the decency to let you know that, my friend, this is the end of the line. Get your passport and exit this trade. And we did. Lo and behold, look at this. Reversal happened. And again, another way to notice, to gauge whether you need to exit, is in the concurrence of simple moving average in which the movement is stopping. Look at here. Exactly, it touched the 100 ticks chart and bounced. It touched, which one is the 70 period chart? This is the 40 period chart. This is, which one is that? The 120 period chart, simple moving average. Crossed it, touched it, and then reversed. Exit. Okay, so this week, is starting beautifully. Just like I mentioned, remember, all we need is just one good trade. And this trade is this one here. Because this one, we entered this trade here, but it ended here. Brutally, it could have continued. I would have loved it to continue, but guess what? It didn't. This is why by the time it got here, we exited, we made our money. Let's be happy. We survived and thrived for another day. Thank you again. Come back tomorrow for another live trade. And remember, all you need is just one good trade.